Tired of your PS5 reading everything out loud? Let's quickly silence that screen reader and take back control of your audio experience. First, from your PlayStation 5 home screen, navigate all the way to the right until you find the settings icon. It looks like a little cogwheel. Use your controller's directional pad to highlight the settings icon, and then press the X button to select it. This opens the settings menu. Now scroll down, using your directional pad, until you find accessibility. It usually has a person icon next to it. Select accessibility by again pressing the X button. This takes you to the accessibility settings. In the accessibility menu, find screen reader. You should see a slider with the word screen reader next to it and its current status. Now, the crucial step: use your directional pad to navigate to the screen reader slider and toggle it off by pressing the X button. You will notice it change. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the screen reader on your PS5. You can now freely navigate your console without the audio interruptions. Enjoy.